Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have already done the base, foundation, concealer, etc. So starting out with my eyebrows, I'm just going super natural and messy. For the eyes, I'm going in with brown eyeshadow and really feathering outwards, creating this very uplifted eye look. And going in with some black eyeliner. I'm lining my eyes, doesn't have to be precise, and I'm using my fingers to blend it all in. I'm using my fingers because I wanted to be super messy. I didn't want it to be precise in no way. I wanted this smoky look that is messy. Adding more black to the outer corner, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side. For the contour, I'm just sizzling my cheekbones with a small brush, using a brown contour, and now going with a bigger brush to blend it all in. I'm doing my usual mascara look. I did not go in with falsies because I didn't feel that a warrior would have time to apply falsies. And doing the same thing under my eyes, and I'm adding a bit more of black liner under my eyes. I added some gold eyeshadow in the inner eye because I felt that it gave the look a bit of pop of color and it made it more fun. I'm smoking the eye look further outwards, extending it very outwards, and blending it along in, adding more in the inner eye for that really black eye look. For the lips, I'm just overlining the lips and applying this white powder in the center of the eyes to make them a bit more formulas. Okay, so for this part, the camera stopped recording, and I'm sorry for that. But it's pretty easy. I just took some blue paint, acrylic paint, and just applied some lines with my fingers. For the hair, it's simple as well. I just put the front piece backwards, made it a bit messy, and added some braids there on the left and the right side because I thought it made it look a bit more cuter. There, it's super easy and it's super cute. I decided to go in with more brown. Using the same brown eyeshadow, I'm creating bruises on my neck, on my forehead, on my chin, and I added a bit of red lipstick over it, and now I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, blue, browns, to make the bruises more realistic. And that was all. Thank you for watching.